Hi, Jill Butler here, and we've been hearing a lot about, hey, spring market's here, interest rates change, things change all the time. But if you think back, interest rates went from in the twos, then went past seven, and it was just such a chaotic time. And so we wanted to look at, no matter what's going on, what are things we can do, different creative things we can do to help buyers in this market and help them achieve their goal. So we have Brad with us today talking about some new ideas.
Thanks, Jill. Absolutely. As rates kind of went up and the cost of other things went up last year, people started to wonder, can they do this? Can they afford this? And so in lending, we've kind of dusted off a product we used to have and brought it back with a fervor, which is something called a 2-1 buy down. So if an interest rate is 7, as you mentioned, Jill, in that first year, your rate is not 7, it's actually 5. And in that second year, it goes from 5 to 6. And then that third year goes to 7. And on about a $200,000 loan, if somebody was borrowing that amount of money, that first year, that first payment year, you have a savings over the 7% rate of about $300 per month. For 12 months in a row, you've got a payment that's $300 cheaper. In that second year, 150, and that third year, you're kind of back to baseline. But we believe very strongly in that third year, rates will be lower. So by the time you get to that base payment, we're going to refinance you into a cheaper rate and keep that payment below where you want it to be.
Hey, so it sounds like a great option for buyers. And we always say, you marry the house, you can date the interest rate. So, this gets you into home ownership. And then depending on how things go, you can always refinance.
Absolutely. People are always very surprised by how much that actually saves you in that first year, helps you budget for things to come. It's a great product.
Okay, thanks so much for watching. We're always looking for different tips and things we can do to help our buyers and sellers. And if you have any comments, we'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much.